Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Roslina Imran. I'm from 2 class A chemistry. Okay, I will present the practical module for modification of sulfur. Sulfur is a chemical element in the periodic table that has the symbol S and atomic number 16. Its shape is not metallic that is bland, odorless, multivalent. Sulfur in its natural form is a yellow crystalline solid. In nature, sulfur can be found as an essential element for life and is found into amino acid. Its commercial use in mainly in fertilizer. Tools and material, tools category 1, porcelain cup, test tube, steering rod, measuring glass, pumpkin survey, test tube clamp and stative, test tube rack, grape pipette, chemical glass, watch glass, and category 2, analytic balance, hot plate, shower cabinet. Material, specific materials, acetic acid, sulfuric acid, potassium chromate, sulfur. General material, tap water, aqueous, copper chip, tissue, washing soap, sucrose, ethanol, distilled water, and filter paper. Discussion, modification of sulfur. Here modification, sulfur exit in crystalline form. Crystalline form depending on temperature. In this experiment, sulfur melt because of the nature of the sulfur itself. It will melt if it is above the heating temperature 19.6 degrees Celsius. After freezing, prismatic needles are formed, namely monoclinic sulfur are also called disulfur. The sulfur molecular needles consist of an SA ring which is an octahedral crystal. The second modification, the sulfur powder becomes a brown yellow liquid because the ring SA broken. If the temperature continues to be raised, the liquid will become viscous and the color will turn darker because the ring SA breaks and form a change. Sulfur color brownish yellow. Characteristic of sulfur acid. The first step is to heat a piece of copper with 1 ml of concentrate sulfuric acid. When heat, the solution boils. From the result of observation, gas bubble formed. Copper is insoluble in acid but can dissolve in sulfuric acid to form copper sulfate and sulfur dioxide. Sulfuric acid react with copper requires hot concentrate sulfuric acid, and this reaction produces sulfur dioxide. This happens because hot concentrate sulfuric acid as an oxidizing agent. In the reaction that occurs in the above equation produces sulfur dioxide gas. From the reaction between copper and concentrate sulfuric acid, characterized by the presence of gas bubbles. The second observation was that the gas bubbles produced were tested by placing filter paper moist stained with potassium chromate above the mouth of the test tube. After a while, the filter paper turns into a whitish brown color. This is caused by the presence of sulfur dioxide gas product from the reaction of copper and sulfuric acid. This sulfur dioxide gas then reacts with potassium chromate which is marked by a green color on the filter paper. If it is done for a while, however, the result we obtain were whitish brown filter paper. The reaction that occurs is whitish brown filter paper. The third observation, the nature of sulfuric acid as a dehydrating agent is reacting sucrose with concentrate sulfuric acid. From this experiment, sucrose is black. The equation for the reaction that occurs. Picture sucrose turn black. It can be seen that sulfuric acid decomposes sucrose or separates hydrogen and oxygen from the sugar. Concentrate sulfuric acid is a strong dehydrating agent. Dehydrating is the release of water molecules from a material that is attracted by a material such as sulfuric acid. The presence of carbon product from this reaction can be seen by the formation of a black color in the mixture when it with concentrated sulfuric acid. The fourth observation, the nature of sulfuric acid as a catalyst in the formation of ester is resting 2 ml of acetic acid, 2 ml of alcohol, and 2 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid. The heat. Before heating, the tube wall feels hot. This is due to the reaction between sulfuric acid and acetic acid and alcohol. Then it is heated to produce air bubbles. The reaction can be written into the equation. From the above equation, it can be seen that the reaction is an esterification reaction where a carboxylic acid is reacted with an alcohol with an acid catalyst to produce an ester and a water molecule. Here it can also be seen that sulfuric acid acts as a catalyst in the esterification process. And the experimental results obtained are that it smells like a candy, which indicates that the reaction is an ester. Conclusion, sulfuric can be modified, which is called an allotrope. The result of the modification or rhombic assay, the crystal form obtained is affected by temperature, while sulfuric acid has properties as an oxidizing agent, dehydrating agent, drying agent, as a catalyst in the formation of ester. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.